Mysterious next-generation imaging hardware has just surfaced through a fresh wave of leaks, and the creator community is buzzing. What's being revealed appears to break many of the rules we've come to expect from compact cameras, potentially redefining how vloggers, filmmakers, travelers, and solo creators approach content creation heading into 2026. At the center of the conversation is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a device that insiders now claim is fully developed, stress-tested, and performing well beyond expectations. Yet despite this, its launch has been noticeably delayed, raising questions across the creator space. According to multiple sources, the holdup isn't the camera itself, but accessory quality control. DJI is reportedly refining mounting systems, extended battery grips, wireless modules, and stabilization add-ons, refusing to ship anything that doesn't meet strict long-term reliability standards. It's a cautious move, but one that signals DJI is prioritizing creator trust over rushing a release. Leaked certification data already points to a meaningful battery upgrade, with capacity increasing by roughly 20%, from around 1,300 mAh to approximately 1,545 mAh. In real-world terms, that translates to noticeably longer recording times, making the Pocket 4 far more practical for full-day shooting at events, festivals, or while traveling, without constantly swapping power packs. Prototype images have added another layer of intrigue. Some show bulky industrial test rigs that look nothing like a finished pocket camera. But closer inspection reveals larger gimbal motors, thicker arms, reinforced structures, and a slightly forward-shifted camera position, strong indicators that DJI is preparing the Pocket 4 to support heavier, more advanced optics. This lines up perfectly with rumors of a 1-inch class CMOS sensor, a higher megapixel count, and possibly even a variable aperture lens, something virtually unheard of in a camera this small. If accurate, this would give creators far greater control over exposure, depth of field, and low-light performance than any previous pocket camera. Specs circulating from multiple independent sources suggest the Osmo Pocket 4 could introduce 6K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, alongside high frame rate 4K slow motion. There are also reports of expanded 10-bit log profiles, designed for serious color grading, plus upgraded subject tracking algorithms that build on DJI's already impressive stabilization and AI tracking systems. Another exciting possibility is full 360-degree panning, borrowed from DJI's advanced gimbal technology. This could enable seamless rotational shots, cinematic time lapses, and automated motion sequences that previously required much larger rigs, effectively positioning the Pocket 4 as a legitimate production tool, not just a vlogging accessory. Now for the big questions: release date and price. While the original target appeared to be late 2025, current insider reports point toward a January 2026 launch. However, new regulatory hurdles could mean limited availability in certain regions at first, with international markets potentially seeing the Pocket 4 before others. As for pricing, leaks suggest DJI plans to keep the Pocket 4 competitive. The base kit is expected to land slightly above the Pocket 3, reflecting the upgraded sensor, battery, and video capabilities, while creator and combo bundles would include accessories like battery grips, wireless modules, and expanded mounting options. Taken together, these leaks paint a clear picture. DJI isn't just iterating, it's redefining the compact camera category. With higher resolution, smarter tracking, improved battery life, advanced color profiles, and potentially variable optics, the Osmo Pocket 4 could become one of the most powerful pocket-sized cameras ever made. If these details hold true, DJI is about to give solo creators cinematic capabilities that once required full camera rigs and entire crews, and that makes the Osmo Pocket 4 one of the most important creator tools to watch heading into 2026.